What's up, everybody? Rastafarian Smith here, and today for you guys, I know you might hear some noises in the background. It's this noise, that noise. Don't mind that. It's just some people working outside. But today I'm here with another tutorial video. I started my tutorial part of my channel a few months ago by doing how to upload a video on YouTube. I did 2 parts of it, and I did a tips and tricks on Sims Mobile. So if you want to go see that, I will make a playlist shortly. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can make an easy thumbnail on your mobile phone on YouTube. So what you're gonna need is an app called Pixel Labs, and it's free. It's an app called Pixel Labs, and what it is, it's basically a thumbnail maker. So I know you have that red thumbnail maker. The logo might pop up on the screen right now, I'm not sure, but I know you have that, but this is a whole lot different. So what you're going to want to do is your thumbnail maker. So there's thin, there's default, there's another thin, there's this, and there's this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this. If you want to make a thumbnail for YouTube or a channel banner, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to these 3 dots up here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to image size. Now, you can do the width and the height and all that, or you can go to preset custom. And there's custom, there's square, picture, profile picture square, there's YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, Google Plus cover art, and Twitter head size. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press YouTube thumbnail. And I will show you how to make a YouTube banner, but in a separate video from this. So what you're going to want to do is to recommend what YouTube said is 1280 by 720. So you're going to want to click OK, and it's going to give you this bigger canvas. Now, new tests can go anywhere. So what you want to do is you want to add a picture. So you want to press that plus sign up there, and you want to go to From Gallery. And then what you're going to want to do is when it shows up recent, you're going to want to go to whatever picture you want. I have a lot of pictures in here, but personally for the thumbnail, I'm going to go for this picture right here, and I'm going to press the check mark. Now, it's not going to be full automatically, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the corner and you're going to want to drag it. And then you're going to want to press this button that's black, and then these 8 dots on the side, you're going to want to drag it down and then lock it, because if you lock it, it can't go anywhere. Look at this. I'm pressing it and it's not going anywhere. So the new test is right here. You're going to want to tap it twice to get into it. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to title it. So I'm going to just title this how to make a YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna press done, and then these the big and little T in the top left corner is gonna be for big or small. So I'm gonna make mine big, and I'm gonna press OK. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like this, and I'm going to put it like right over here. Now what you can do is you can go to this little A down here, and there's styles. There's styles, edit, delete, copy, to front, to back, position, relative position, size, padding, color, texture, opacity, rotate, mask, font, style, curve, background, align, spacing, line spacing, stroke, shadow, inner shadow, emboss, 3D rotate, 3D text, 3D shadow, and reflection. What you want to do is you want to go to, if you want a different style, what you're going to do is you want to put styles, and then you're going to want to go to browse. And then all these styles right here, the default styles. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pick this one because I really like it. I used it in my I'm using it in the current thumbnail that I have for this video. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to font. So your font is the way how the text is written out. So for me, I personally like the where is it? The Chunk 5. I like this one very much. It is really cool. And then for style, you want to go to the B. And then you're going to want to press the I if you want to. That'll make everything go like sideways. And then the U is just for underlining. So that's what I'm going to do for mine. You can do differently for yours if you would like. it's not gonna be, this thumbnail I'm showing you how to make is not gonna be exactly like the thumbnail that I have for the video, but it's gonna be a little bit close to it. So what I did for my thumbnails, I went to 3D text. So we're gonna go to 3D text, and it's depth. That means how much opacity it has. Well, not opacity, but how much shadow it has. So I'm gonna put a lot because I love it. You can darken it if you want, so I'm gonna just darken it. X rotation, all that. I'm not gonna show you guys all that, but there's insensitivity. Personally, I don't really know what that changes. I don't really see the changes in it, but I'm gonna put it up. Then there's shadow. I still don't know what that changes. And then there's specular darkness. So personally, I don't know what any of those changes. So I'm just gonna press the check mark. And then yeah, if you want anything else, you're free to go. For my background, I'm gonna enable it, and I'm gonna choose. It took me a long time to know what I was doing for the background. It took me a really long time. So left padding, right padding, top padding, bottom padding. There we go. And then you can, the radius. Oh, okay. That's what that changes. Okay, so then we're going to press the check mark. And then we're going to go to, and that's kind of basically it. If you want to do like another style, if you want to edit it, you can easily do that. Or if you just want to copy it or anything like that, you can easily do that. It's 100%, so I'm just going to lock it in place. It's 100% great, and it's an easy thumbnail for you guys. So if you guys want to see more of these tutorial videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and as always, subscribe. I'm trying to do something a little bit different on the channel, since I know I'm always doing gameplays and stuff like that, and like series. I'm trying to do something a little bit different on the channel, so let me know if you guys want to see more of this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a nice time, and peace out.